Focused on the arsenal, they call me Mr. Radical. Cause damn supernatural mind, so critical. Breaking the unbreakable. Everybody wanna groove to this. When I drop my shit, they gotta be blown by the beat. Bringing in some old shit with a twist of a new shit. Beef wanna kill the steel on our shit list. Ladies be my business and they sparkle like a tempest. Return of the comeback, no dead, just rest it. Take a pause, make a plot to this. Ladies and gentlemen, let me take you to the highest. I call it party yet, I'm better recognize this. The ruthless is back and about to do some damage. Listen closely up to the rhymes that I spit. Indescribable, cause I'm way too good for this. From cocaine to kilo, make me want the gist. I dribble around with Mr. Funky Orange. Girls, stay with me cause I can make you famous. Everybody get just shit and mind your own business. Get your crew, cause I'm about to set trip. I'm harder than a conquer, better deal with the madness. This is free flowing combination of the types. Just get love for the bitch, all I know is the lustin'. Make the body hurt like they back to being virgin. Lyrically inclined, I'm no gravity, I'm forward in the sky. 100,000 words up to one mission. Destruction of the good and the triumph of evil. Heated up like microwave, rapping in the airwaves. Socialera pedejo, putang ina mo. The demon taking over, the time of joy is over. Living up my name like a fucking dementor. I'm your mentor, but I don't like you in the temple. Make your mind bleed and your body tremble. There ain't no stopping me, cause I'm the abomination. Love plus hate, not a healthy combination. Take a peek to the exclusive and prepare for the action. And fuck everybody, including your sister and your mother. Daddy got your thoughts, baby, coming to her. Give birth to a demigod that would rock the world. What's your matter? I'll put a stitch onto it. You'd be making hula hoop like Lilo and Stitch. Is it sinking in, or shall I say sit in? The 7 deadly sin injected in my veins. Sin, brain of a computer formulated your game. Call me insane, but who is there to be blamed? Is it the white witch? I will not state her name. My life's like a movie, I'm the passes main. I roll on your block with 2 of my bitches, but leash in your neck and drag you into the darkness. There will be bloodshed soon as I rise. I feel like I'm elected, putting judgment in your eyes. But it's no justice, just pure vengeance. Precision what it's called, I lick the blood from your hands in. She said, he said, everybody be dead. Girl, you're the one who sharpened all of my edges. My thoughts are flying way up in the sky. No destination, is either rot or die. As I grow older, my lyrics getting colder. Speakers getting harder, it seems like I'm the smelter. Better watch out, cause I ain't stopping to destroy ya. Fuck you bitch, I don't owe nothing on ya. Let me remind you of what it's like to be a G. Come on with me and I'll make you see. You dare to play with the MVP. I'll snap your necks cause I'm a killing spree. I told you before, not that that's the devil in me. I'm making hot songs, your boy dreaming of me. Liar, burning desire. Rip off your heart and let you walk in fire. Whales be flying, butterflies be crawling. Reversive composition cause I'm proving it tested. Psychedelic lyrics, a deadly notice to the public. Stole me to death, but I'll be back resurrected.